Hey, what's up gearheads and driveway mechanics? Ever started your car in the morning, saw a little puff of white smoke from the exhaust? Don't worry. Today, we're breaking down 5 common reasons why your car blows white smoke at startup, then chills out like nothing happened. Let's get into it. Number 1. Condensation. The most common and least concerning reason for white smoke, especially in cold weather, is condensation in the exhaust system. When your engine is cold, exhaust gases can condense into water vapor as they exit the tailpipe. As the engine warms up, this condensation evaporates, and the white smoke disappears. This is normal and not a cause for concern. Number 2. Coolant leak. If the white smoke has a sweet smell, it might indicate a coolant leak into the combustion chamber. This can happen due to a cracked or warped cylinder head, a blown head gasket, or a cracked engine block. These are more serious issues that require immediate attention, as they can lead to significant engine damage if not addressed. Number 3. Engine oil burning. Occasionally, white smoke might indicate that engine oil is being burned in the combustion process. This could be due to worn piston rings, valve seals, while less likely to produce white smoke. Compared to blue or gray smoke, certain oil types or contamination can cause white smoke. Number 4. Fuel injection issues. In some cases, particularly with diesel engines, white smoke can be due to incorrect fuel injection, timing, or problems with the fuel injectors, leading to incomplete fuel combustion. This is more common in diesel engines, but can occur in petrol engines as well. Number 5. Transmission fluid. If your vehicle has a vacuum modulator valve in the transmission that's faulty or damaged, transmission fluid can be sucked into the engine and burned, producing white smoke. This is more common in older vehicles with automatic transmissions. Number 6. Failing PCV. The last potential issue I see producing temporary white smoking is a failing PCV system. The positive crankcase ventilation system takes vapor and blow-by from inside the crank and recirculates it if hoses crack or the valve sticks. Pressure can push oil mist up the intake pipes to be burned until vacuum returns to normal. At operating temp, it's important to know that white smoke from a car's exhaust can vary in type, each indicating different potential issues. Thin vapor like white smoke, commonly seen on cold mornings, is typically just condensation and not a cause for concern. However, persistent, thick white smoke, especially with a sweet smell, may suggest a coolant leak due to problems like a blown head gasket or a cracked cylinder head. If the smoke has a blue tint, it could indicate oil burning, potentially due to worn piston rings or valve seals. White smoke during acceleration or under load might point to more pronounced issues. Under these conditions, such as a coolant leak or fuel system problems in diesel engines, constant white smoke, regardless of engine temperature or conditions, is usually a sign of a serious issue and should be checked by a professional mechanic promptly to avoid severe engine damage. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car care tips, and let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and drive safe.